What's up, guys? I'm Christian from TireSouth, and this is TSTV, where we take you guys through everything you need to know about wheels and tires. Today, we're gonna go through and show you guys how to find your tire size. After this short video today, you will be a master in the ways of finding your tire size. But before we get started, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below. So, you're looking to buy new tires, and it comes down to that crucial moment where they say, well, what's your tire size? And you have no idea. And looking at tire charts, it's just as confusing as one of your nerd friends talking about a gaming computer he got.
32 gigabytes of RAM. It's really cool. It's got 64-bit processing. You got the control of the color of the keys with the RGB 8RF.
No! So there are two different types of ways to measure tires, metric and flotation. But majority of tires that people are gonna buy are gonna be metric. So let's start there. Metric tires are gonna start with a letter designation. So they're either gonna be a passenger, a light truck, a specialty trailer, or a temporary tire. Tires without a letter designation are normally gonna be a passenger tire. Just check your tire's load rating. Next is gonna be section width. That's just a fancy way of saying how wide is the tire. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure from sidewall to sidewall in millimeters because they put some European guy in charge of doing the math. Following is aspect ratio, but we'll get into that in our demonstration. So let's take a look at a real tire. My God. All right, guys, so let's find these numbers on a metric tire. First up is gonna be our letter designation. In this tire, it is LT, which stands for light truck. Next up is gonna be our section width, which in this tire is 245. So what that means is from sidewall to sidewall, this tire is 245 millimeters wide. Up next is gonna be our aspect ratio. On this tire, our aspect ratio is 75. So what that means is from here to here is 75% of the tire's width. The R stands for radial construction, opposed to like a bias ply tire. And the last number is 16. So a 16-inch rim will fit on this tire. Let's add all this together and figure out how tall our tire is. So if our aspect ratio is 75 and our section width is 245, 75% of 245 is 184. So 184 millimeters converted over into inches is about 7 1/4. So if we add it all up, from here to here is 7 1/4. And from here to here is 16. And then again, from here to here is 7 1/4. You come out with an overall height of 30.5 inches. All right, guys, so let's measure this tire using the flotation system. So the first number is 33. So this tire is 33 inches tall. Second number is 12.5. So this tire is 12.5 inches wide. And then the last number is 20. So this means that this tire will fit on a 20-inch rim. You see that? Inches. Take that, Mr. Metric System. America. If you like this video on how to find your tire size, do me a favor, guys, and hit that like button. If you have any questions or you want to give us some ideas for some videos you'd like to see, put those in the comments section below. Or you can hit us up online or at any of our TireSouth locations. We'd love to answer your questions and help you guys customize your ride for your lifestyle. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'm Christian with TireSouth, and this was another episode of TSTV.